Hey you guys, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to crochet a small heart. We're going to start off with a magic circle. I have an in-depth video on how to do this on my channel. Once we have our magic circle, we're going to start by chaining 2. After that, we're going to do a triple crochet. So we're going to wrap around twice, pull up a loop, wrap around, pull through 2, wrap around, pull through 2, and wrap around and pull through 2. And we're going to do that 2 more times. So there should be 3 triple crochets in total after the chain 2. Next, we're going to do 3 double crochets. So we're going to wrap around once, pull up a loop, wrap around, pull through 2, and wrap around, pull through 2. And we're going to make 3 of those. I think I only made 2 when I did this, but it should be 3. Next, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do a triple crochet. So wrap around twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2 again. And then we're basically just going to repeat the sequence but backwards. So we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets. And then we're going to do 3 more triple crochets. Then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch to finish, and then fasten off. Once we fasten off, we're going to pull our tail from our magic circle to tighten it up, and then you have your heart. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow.